Hi everyone, this is my first science and technology video on this channel. Today, through this video, I'll tell you something about robotics. So according to Wikipedia, robotics is an interdisciplinary field that incorporates mechanical engineering, computer sciences, biology, physics, mathematics, etc. The alternative definition, the field that deals with construction and designing and working of autonomous, semi-autonomous and non-autonomous machines which are programmable of course, is called robotics. There are numerous types of robots on the basis of the size and function. There are humongous bots which can lift cars, and there are minuscule nanobots that can do biopsies of the human body. Apart from this, a new type of living robot also got developed in the 2020. The name of that robot is Xenobot. Xenobots are actually programmable living cells. Just imagine the variations in robotics itself. According to me, robotics is truly interesting. Robotics has a great future ahead. Robots are in great demand in today's world as they aren't living beings. They don't demand resources like food, water, air, etc. They also don't go on strikes and don't demand wages. Robots can do tasks which can't be done by humans, like going near the mouth of volcano and study it, go to other planets, etc. According to experts, automation will lead to a loss of number of jobs in the coming future. Automation will reduce employment opportunities in almost every sector in coming future. Robots should not be incorporated to replace humans. Robots should be used as guides and companions of humans. If humans and robots work together as co-workers, then that will be just amazing. Robotics will be incorporated in the secondary and tertiary sectors immensely in the coming future. Robotics should be incorporated in areas like restaurants, hotels, malls, etc. only if the human workers are guaranteed universal basic income and employment opportunities in the other areas. Apart from this, people that are replaced by robots must also be provided with the appropriate skill sets that will be required at that time phase. Professions that will not get affected by robotics include physicists, creative persons like artists, writers, biologists, painters, etc. Jobs that will get affected by robotics and possibly get replaced by robots include production line workers, delivery men, etc. So now the question arises, from where can I learn robotics and artificial intelligence? So for your help, I have referred the name of a website in this slide only. The name of that website is https www.learnrobotics.org. This site mentions the name of various online platforms from where you can learn about robotics and artificial intelligence. For your convenience, in this site, the courses are online. So in this time of pandemic, you don't have to go out too. I hope you like my video. Do subscribe this channel and click on the notification bell for more updates. See you in another video.